Okay, combined prepositions. Do you need to use an article between the preposition and the noun? Generally, yes. So definite articles are placed right before the noun being described. When prepositions are used along with definite articles, they're often combined into one word. For example, il libro è sulla tavola. Okay, so we combine su, on, with the table. Okay, so the book is on the table. We'd say è sulla tavola. Io vado al negozio. I'm going to the store. So we combine a and il to form al. So al negozio. Or lei è nella cucina. She is in the kitchen. So we combine in and la to form nella. And don't worry, I have a table to explain what they look like when they're combined. Okay, so how many combined prepositions are there? These are the most common combined prepositions plus definite articles. Okay, here's the table. So just to note, per, con, tra, and fra are usually kept separate when used with definite articles. Okay, so they're not even in this table here, so don't worry about them. You just keep them separate. But all of these you do combine with the definite articles. Okay, so when you combine a and il, you get al. When you combine a with la, you get alla. You just add another L here. A plus is I. Okay, I. A plus le is alle. Again, you add another L. A plus li is ali. A plus L apostrophe is al. Again, you add another L. And then a plus lo is allo. Okay, add another L. Okay, now with D, you do the exact same thing all the way down. So we have del, della, dei, delle, degli, del, and dello. Da, we have dal, dalla, dai, dalle, dagli, dal, and dallo. In, so in we add an E, okay, we basically change the order of in to NE, and then we add on our endings here. Okay, so we have nel, nella, nei, nelle, negli, nel, and nello. And finally, we have su. So we have sul, sulla, soi, sulle, sugli, sul, and sullo. Okay, I know it looks like a lot, but you will get used to using them. So study this chart a bit first, and then you'll become more familiar when you hear them and when you see them, and then eventually will become much easier to use them. Okay.